Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Ms.Stefany and today we're going to be reading from the Old Testament, Genesis 11, the Tall Tower. This is going to be from the book, The Beginner's Bible, Timeless Children's Stories. And it says, The Tall Tower, Genesis 11. After the flood, everyone spoke the same language. One word meant hello, one word meant mom, and one word meant dad. The people said, if we work together, we can do anything. Let's build a tower that goes all the way up to heaven. Then everyone will see how great we are. The people worked on their tower. They built it taller and taller. They began to brag. God did not like the way they were acting. It was if they no longer needed him. So God mixed up their language. They tried to talk to each other. It sounded like babble. Everyone was confused. Then God scattered the people all over the earth. They had to stop building their tower. From then on, the tower was called Babel. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the Tall Tower. I will see you next time. Have a beautiful, blessed day. Bye.